Right, clean the place now. Double check.
Oh,
What happened?
touch the pan.
Touch the pan?
Yes. Cold
It's piping hot. Get it under water. Lisa?
Yes?
That's embarrassing. He covers wars and he can't even hold a pan properly, yeah?
I know,
He's burnt
I know,
himself.
bless him.
Huh? Go, go, go. Quick, go on. Very good, very good. Now, look at me. Easy. Clear your shit down. Two more now. Mrs. Guru-Murthy, it's because you don't let them in the kitchen. They're all burning and cutting themselves, yes? You've got to move over and let them in. Right, let's go. Krishnan, are you giving me the finger? Do you mind? Last table, yes? Table 12, yes? We may be one man down, but we can get through this.
Yeah.
Can't we, Mrs. Guru-Murthy? Yes. Good. Go. Last two. Well done. Well done. You were shit. OK, clear down. Get ready for the mains, yes? Good evening. How are we?
Good.
Yes. How was the risotto?
Very good.
Yeah. Trouble. Eaten rabbit before?
No.
Good.
And we do have a pet rabbit at
Yeah,
home.
Not after tomorrow. Trust me. It's food in the garden.
No, it lives in the flat.
Now, I'm slightly confused. Your rabbit, is it the vibrating rabbit or the... I've been enjoying your main course as much as enjoying your rabbit. Yes?
The rabbit risotto was fantastic, actually. Big explosion of flavours, lovely and fresh.
You can taste the garlic, you can taste the herbs. If anything, there's a bit too much lemon, perhaps.
OK, right, now for the most exciting part, yes, the results. OK, Ravi.
There we go.
How many out of 50 are going to pay?
A 45.
40.
Oh,
that is very confident, yeah? I mean, seriously, fucking confident, yeah? Mind you, he was out the kitchen for three-quarters of it, so there is hope, yes? The results are, out of 50... 46 out of 50! Yes! That is great! Yes? Well done. Seriously, well done.